Hello, welcome back to a new video, guys. Hope you're all good. Hope you had a good Christmas. I didn't. If you're wondering, I didn't. I had to go to hospital Christmas Day, so that was fun. But I hope you all did. I hope you all had a good Christmas. Hope you all got a lot of Pokemon. I got a fair few. I got some on the way. I got 2 terrestrial festival booster boxes coming, and I got a no. I got a Korean Surgeon Sparks booster box coming as well. But we still got some stuff to open up from last time. Can't remember when we got these, but I still got these to open. So I thought today we'd be opening up Pokemon Go. Haven't opened it in a while. I'm still chasing that Radiant Charizard. So hopefully in these packs is one of them. But imagine I get more than just one. That'd be funny. But I got some new stuff. I can see, well, you might notice that camera is less shaky. Got some code cards there if you want that. But the camera is less shaky. But yeah, camera's less shaky because I have a new stand for it. I've got a new light as well. And the first item is this new mat. Got a mat that actually, to be honest, I didn't actually know that was in here. So that's cool. We got this nice evee mat. Is it evee? I don't know. Don't quote me on that. Please don't roast me if that's not evee. But we got this nice looking mat right here. Nice mat. Can't beat the Charizard though. Gotta love the Charizard. But hey, at least we have another mat. Well, I have another mat, not you guys. But hey, you might have another mat too. We all don't know. So yeah. Hopefully, Charizard's in here. Got another code card for you guys there. Got 8 packs to open up right now. And we got a pin. So we have a pin right here. Nice little pin. Evee pin. So now I'm pretty sure that's Evee. So yeah. Nice little Evee pin right there. But yeah. We got an Evee pin. 8 packs, pretty sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 8 packs we got to open up. So you got a 1 in 8 chance of getting Charizard. And yeah, let's just hope we get him. First pack. Let's see. Can we get Charizard? Not sure if there's a pack trick to this. So I'm going to guess on the whim that it's probably not. But I'm going to probably be completely wrong, and probably is. So let's do 2, 3, 4, and then do this. Let's just do that. See if that's anything. Probably not. But we got Pidove, Bulbasaur, Squirtle, Bidoof, but not a Ditto, Onix, Ariados, Solrock, Chansey, Energy, Magikarp, and the Articuno rare. For the rare. Now we just get rid of the dumb thingamabobs, energies. Couldn't think then. Could not think of what I was on about then. But yeah. Another code card. Can't be asked to do any more of the pack arts, tricks, things. Bidoof, not a Ditto, Magikarp again, Apom, Squirtle, Lure Model, and a Slacking V! Let's go. Second pack in, and we've got a Slacking V. Nice pull. Not good, but it is not bad. Third pack. thought it was going to be the fourth one. I don't think I opened 4. Third pack. Can we get anything? Hopefully we can. Probably not. Got Rattata. Bidoof, but not Ditto. Bulbasaur, Apom, Charmeleon, and a Lapras Holo. And then those 3 other cards. Hope you're all good. Oh my god, I just knocked the camera. We got the 4th pack. 4th pack, can we get anything? I have not done a video in a while, so I'm a bit rusty. Even though I was a bit rusty to begin with anyway. But hopefully I should be doing alright. I say, probably not. Rattata, Spinarak, Pikachu, Wimpom, Lunatone, and we got a Charizard, but it's not the right Charizard. How about that? We got Charizard, but it's not the right Charizard for what we wanted. God damn it. That's like the 4th time doing that Charizard. I think the first one I pulled, I graded as well. So, that's the thing. Come on, where's the Radiant Charizard at, bro? Where is he? Where is this Radiant Charizard at? Rattata, Spinarak, Pikachu, Wimpop, Pidove, Spinarak, and a Pikachu Holo. We've got Charmeleon. How many packs? We've got 3 left. Can I get the Radiant Charizard in this opening? Please. Gods. Please. Tranquil. Evee. Natu. Ambipom. King. Oh, we got a Radiant Venusaur. How about that? A Radiant Venusaur. Still not a Radiant Charizard though, so that's sad. We got Energy. Only got 3. Another Charmeleon. He's teasing me at this point. He gave me a Charizard, he gave me a Radiant Venusaur, and he keeps giving me Charmeleon. He's teasing me at this point. Naughty, naughty. Card. Come on. Wimpod, Numel, Larvitar, Bulbasaur, and a Blissey. God damn it. God damn it, Blissey. Last pack. Come on, Radiant Charizard. Come on, Radiant Charizard. Kiss. Let's get opening it. Let's get opening this last pack of the Pokemon Go. I have not opened this set in a good while. For a reason, because you quite clearly can't really get much in it. So, yeah. Got Rattata, Wimpod, Pikachu, Squirtle, Bidoof, but not Ditto. Then we got the holo underneath that. So we got Blanchie. So let's take out the 2 here. We got Unpheasant, Camerupt, and Steelix. Now pretty sure that is the energy. Now this right here could be the make or break of me getting the Radiant Charizard. Can we get it? 3, 2, 1. Sylveon! And we got a Sylveon holo. Sylveon just always has to ruin the party. Always, always, always. All the time. Ruining the party. Now, because I feel like it, let's just open up this box right here. Let's open up the box right here. Right now, on this channel, on this video, let's open up this box of celebrations, see if we can get the Charizard from that set. What do you think? Can we get the Charizard from this, or are we going to lose again? Let's find out together. How about that? Let's find out together. Open this goddamn box if I can, and let's just open. That's all we can do, is just open packs, open cards, and hope for the best. I cannot get into this box whatsoever for some reason. There we go. Can we get the Classic Collection Charizard in this set right here? We got that's the Charizard there, which I have like 2 of now already. Then we got the thing. Oh, we got Battle Styles. I don't think I've opened much of these, so that's cool. Then we got more celebrations, and a Darkness Ablaze, and code card. Can we get, please? Can we get Charizard? Let's open up Battle Styles because I don't know actually what's in there, so I don't think there's anything worth anything in Battle Styles at the minute. So let's open up Battle Styles, shall we? Shinx, Gilgar, Spoink, Bronzer, Tepig, Onyx, Stone Joiner, Energy, another Energy, and yeah, nothing. Not even a holo on that. Not even a holo. Darkness Ablaze. Can we get... Pretty sure there's Charizard in this one, so let's see if we can get Charizard. Lector, Fletchling, Mr. Mime, Torchic, and a Vikavolt V card. Hey, at least we got something from somewhere. At least we got something. At least we have something to show for this opening. If not, we don't get the Charizard. We have the Vikavolt V. So, hopefully, Charizard is in one of these. I really do hope Charizard is one of these. Code card. We got Groudon, Cosmog, Orbital. No Charizard. Second pack. Come on. Charizard. We got Xerneas, Reshiram. We have something special, guys. We have something special. Got code card. We have something in the works. Don't know what it is. But we got a Lunala back. We got a Reshiram. And then we got the Xerneas EX! Oh my god. From 2014, Xerneas EX. Honestly, a beautiful looking card that is. That's a nice looking card right there. We got something. We have something. May not be a lot of something, but we have something. Coming down to the last 2 packs. Can we get Charizard? We got Dialga, Zekrom, Reshiram, that Give Me a Heartbeat, and a Lunala again. Last pack, guys. Can we get anything? I really do hope Charizard is in this. Kiss it, you kiss it, and let's see if we can get anything. But mainly Charizard. Probably all sick of me saying Charizard at this point. And I'm sick of saying it too. Because I want this damn Charizard. Okay, we got another Reshiram. We got another 3 of 25. What could that be? A Kyogre, or whatever. We got... Okay, so we got a 95 card. So what could this be? A Rocket Zapdos! Oh, that's a cool card, that is. Oh, and we got another Flying Page. We got the Rocket Zapdos right here. That is a cool card. Wish it was the actual thing. But we got the Rocket Zapdos. Is this the first? I think this might be the first Classic Collection Vintage reprint. We've got. But yeah, there's the 2 pulls that we got from Celebrations. Then we got the Darkness Ablaze, and we have nothing from Battle Styles. And then we only have 2 pulls from Pokemon Go, which is the Slacking and then the Radiant Venus or wherever that is now. But I hope you all enjoyed the video. I'll catch you on the next one, which will be probably on the Terrestrial Festival. One of the Terrestrial Festival booster boxes. Hoping for a God Pack. I'll catch you on the next one. I'll see you in a bit. Catch you in the next video, whenever that will be. And stay happy. Bye.